worksheet number 17 for the date 12 August 2020. In the last worksheet, we have started the chapter electricity, and we have discussed about the current, we have discussed about the charge, we have discussed about the electric potential. Now in this worksheet, we will discuss what is potential difference. So before potential difference, if you remember that what is electric potential, in that what was that if any charge is brought from infinity to a point, the work done required to bring that charge to that point is known as electric potential. And the potential difference is actually just like your electric potential. The difference is there in that we are talking of infinity to a point. Here we will say that suppose these are the 2 points, and we mark this point as A and this as B. So the potential difference will be the amount of work done to move the charge from A to B. Okay, so the difference between the charge, or the difference between the charge on the A and B, will be called as the potential difference. So in this, the work done to move a unit charge from one point to another. So what will be the work done to move a unit charge from A to B will be the potential difference. So the formula of potential difference will become, we denote potential difference by V, and what we are saying that work done to move a unit charge from one point to another. So V is equal to W upon Q. So this is the formula which becomes for the potential difference. As I told you, the SI unit for the potential difference is volt, V, and 1 volt is the potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work is done in moving a 1 coulomb of charge. So if we write it on the basis of units, so 1 volt equals to 1 joule upon 1 C. So this definition can be explained on the basis of this, that 1 volt of potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work is done in moving a charge, okay, of how much? 1 coulomb from point A to B, or from one point to another. So the potential difference is measured by an instrument which is called as voltmeter. If you remember, the instrument which is used to measure the current, you can say it was a meter and it was connected in series. This voltmeter is always connected in parallel. Okay, this you have to remember, that voltmeter is always connected in parallel and it is connected in series. So all this potential difference was given by Alessandro Volta. He was an Italian physicist, and this SI unit of volt is named after him. Now the next part is what is electric circuit. So when we say electric circuit, you have seen the different connections in the houses. We switch on the fan start running, we switch on the bulb starts glowing. So all these having a particular kind of circuit inside it. So this, what is electric circuit? Electric circuit is a continuous and a closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. Okay, when the current is flowing in a definite path which we have provided it through the wires to it, it will be called as electric circuit. When it is broken down, or when it is switched off, it is called an open circuit. That means when the current is not flowing in it, it will be called as open circuit. Now what electric circuit consists of? It consists of a cell or a battery, a plug, that means key. Electrical components can be there, like the connecting wires, and component means anything. It might be a bulb or anything which is used. Generally we use different symbols for that, but you have to remember one thing, that when you are drawing an electric circuit, this is your battery, these are the connecting wires. Okay, these are the connecting wires, this is your battery, and you can say your plug-in key is there, this is your plug-in key, and this is your electrical component. But this arrow showing upward direction with the value I, it is denoting that the current is flowing from the direction positive to negative. This is very important, that in every electric circuit you have to show this symbol of current along with the direction of current, and that should be shown from positive to negative. Now, because it is very hard to draw the battery shape and bulb and etc., so for your convenience, and we have commonly using the different symbols for the different components. Like if we say connecting wires, if the connecting wires are straight, we can use it like this, and if they are crossing one over the other without touching, then we have to use this one. If you understand that one wire is going straight and another wise we have to show above that wire, then you have to show this second symbol. Resistor is this symbol, okay. Then cell, when a single cell is there, one big line and one small line. Bigger one will be the positive and smaller will be the negative. Battery, this one. Along with this you have to mark the that positive and negative symbol also, and each unit is representing one cell. So this is 2-cell battery. If it is a 3-cell battery, then one more unit you have to make. Plug and key, when two brackets are there without any dot in it, it is called open key. When the bracket and dot is there, it is called close key. Bulb, a M-like entangled wire along with the circle. Ammeter, you can say, it is having A written and that needle inside it. Voltmeter also V written and needle positive and negative. Now we'll discuss the question answers. What is meant by saying that potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt? So this is directly with your this definition, that 1 volt is potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to other. Also write this formula, 1 volt equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. Then second is, draw the symbols of the given components used in electric battery resistors. So you have the battery, this one, then the cell, this one, resistor, and close key. In close key, the second option you have to draw it, okay. Now name the device that is used to maintain potential difference across a conductor. It is voltmeter. So you write voltmeter is the device or instrument used to maintain the instrument used to tell the potential difference between the 2 points. Now differentiate between open and closed circuit. When we say differentiate, it is here. A continuous and closed path of electric current is called, if the circuit closed path, when the current is flowing in it, it is called a closed circuit. When the current is not flowing, it is called an open circuit, okay. Second point you can write,